Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controller bindings bug in Rocket League. As you can see here, when I basically press acceleration button, it's basically bugging with my keyboard and all the stuff. As you can see here, I'm pressing gas again and it basically bugs with my camera, and it's really easy fix to it. So basically what you need to do here, you need to go to Steam. You need to go to Steam, and then you need to go to on the top right, Steam again, and then you need to go to settings, and here you need to go to controller, and then you need to go to general controller settings. And then depending on what controller you're using, I'm using PlayStation controller, so I just need to tick down this button. But if you're using Xbox, it will be this button on. So what you need to do here, you need to tick down the buttons here and then go back to Rocket League, and now everything is working fine, right? So that's pretty much it. What you need to do here if you want to fix controller bindings bug on Rocket League. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.